Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. Leo English. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for listening to me. Today, I will speak slowly. Please listen carefully. You can listen, you can repeat, you can relax. Today's topic is Talk About Food, a day of eating and feeling. I will talk about breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, food I like, food I do not like, and how I feel when I eat. At the end, we will practice speaking together. Let's begin. I wake up in the morning. It is early. The morning is quiet. I feel calm. I feel a little sleepy. The sun is soft. The air is fresh. I sit on my bed. I take a deep breath. I feel okay. I feel ready to start the day. The first thing I think about is food. I think about breakfast. Breakfast is my first meal of the day. Breakfast is important. Breakfast gives me energy. In the morning, I like simple food. I do not like heavy food in the morning. I do not like spicy food in the morning. Most mornings, I eat toast with butter. Sometimes I eat toast with jam. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with fruit. I like oatmeal. It is warm, it is soft, it is easy to eat. I like simple breakfast. I always drink something with breakfast. First, I drink water. Water is good for my body. Water helps me wake up. After that, I drink coffee. I love coffee. Coffee smells good. Coffee tastes good. Coffee helps me feel awake. If I do not drink coffee, I feel sleepy all day. I drink my coffee slowly. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I do not hurry. I enjoy the quiet time. I feel calm. I feel peaceful. Breakfast is a quiet time for me. After breakfast, I feel better. I feel ready for the day. At noon, it is time for lunch. Lunch is very important to me. I am usually hungry at this time. Sometimes I eat lunch at home. Sometimes I eat lunch outside. When I eat lunch at home, I eat rice and vegetables. I also eat chicken or fish. I like vegetables. I like lettuce. I like tomatoes. I like carrots. Vegetables are healthy. They are good for my body. When I eat vegetables, I feel good. I feel strong. I feel healthy. Sometimes I am busy. When I am busy, I eat something quick. I make a sandwich. The sandwich has bread, ham, and cheese. It is easy. It is fast. Sometimes I buy noodles from a small shop near my home. The noodles are warm. The noodles are tasty. I do not eat fast food every day. Sometimes is okay, but not every day. Too much fast food is not good. I like lunch that is not too heavy. I want to feel full, but not too full. After lunch, I drink water. Sometimes I drink tea. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel a little tired, but I feel okay. I take a short rest. In the afternoon, I eat a snack. Not a big meal, just something small. Around 3 or 4 p.m., I feel a little hungry. Sometimes I eat a banana. Sometimes I eat nuts. Sometimes I eat a few cookies. If I want something sweet, I eat a small piece of chocolate. I like sweet food, but not too much. I eat slowly. I listen to my body. Food is not only about eating. Food is about feeling. When I eat slowly, I feel calm. When I eat good food, I feel happy. When I eat too much, I feel tired. I try to eat the right amount. In the evening, I come home. The day is long. I feel tired. I feel ready to rest. Dinner is my favorite meal. Dinner is time to relax. Dinner is time for family. I usually eat dinner at home. I like home food. For dinner, I eat rice, vegetables, and meat or fish. Sometimes I eat pasta with tomato sauce. Sometimes I eat soup. Dinner is warm. Dinner feels safe. After dinner, I drink water. Sometimes I drink herbal tea. Tea helps me relax. Sometimes I eat fruit. I like apples. I like bananas. I like oranges. I do not eat very late at night. I do not like heavy food before sleep. Now I want to talk about my favorite food. If I could eat anything now, I would choose noodles. I love noodles. I love noodle soup. I love stir-fried noodles. Noodles are soft. Noodles are warm. Noodles are tasty. I also like pizza. Pizza is fun to eat. Cheese, tomato, and meat taste very good together. I like salty food more than sweet food. I like grilled chicken. I like French fries. But sometimes I enjoy sweet food. I like fruit. I like cake, but only a small piece. For drinks, I drink water most of the time. I also like fresh juice. I like orange juice. I like mango juice. Sometimes I drink bubble tea. Bubble tea is sweet. Bubble tea is fun. Now, let me be honest. There are foods I do not like. I do not like very spicy food. If food is too spicy, I cannot enjoy it. I also do not like food with a strong smell. Some cheese smells too strong for me. I do not like mushrooms very much. The texture feels strange in my mouth. That is okay. Everyone is different. If someone offers me food I do not like, I say, "No thank you," or "I don't eat that." This is simple. This is polite. Food is different around the world. People eat at different times. In some countries, people eat dinner late. In other countries, people eat dinner early. Some people cook at home every day. Some people eat outside. Some people use chopsticks. Some use a fork and knife. Some eat with their hands. Food is culture. Food is daily life. Now let's review. Today we talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, food we like, food we do not like, and feelings we have when we eat. You can say, I eat a light breakfast. I drink coffee in the morning. I eat rice and vegetables for lunch. I like noodles. I don't like spicy food. These are simple sentences. You can use them every day. Now, let's practice. Please listen and repeat. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch at noon. I eat dinner in the evening. I like this food. I don't like this food. Now pause the video and answer out loud. Question 1. What do you eat for breakfast? Question 2. What is your favorite food? Question 3. What food do you not like? Speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. Writing practice. Now take a notebook or your phone. Write 3 short sentences. Sentence 1. I eat blank for breakfast. Sentence 2. My favorite food is blank. Sentence 3. I don't like blank because blank. Keep it simple. 3 sentences are enough. Remember, English need not be difficult. Daily English is enough. Simple words are enough. Practice every day. You can download the free PDF transcript and practice exercises in the description below. Use it to review today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep going, and enjoy your food. See you next time on Mr. Leo English.